How lovely is Ali's dress, isn't it, Dad?
This is mine. You don't touch it.
When Ali goes to mosque wearing this dress on Eid, we should take a photo.
I will never pose for photo.
Let's see. Then I will hide your shirt before Eid, huh?
I will lock this in the shelf. You will never get it. Tan-ta-da!
Then I will wear your shirt on Eid day.
Then sister will become a boy. We'll go wear boys' clothing. Dad, the car behind overtook us. We have to reach in front of them. Speed up, Dad.
Our car is in front, Ali.
How?
Did you see a car coming our back? So we are in front.
Dad, speed up. We have to reach in front of them. Dad, let's overtake it. Speed up, speed up.
Let them go, dear. We have no haste.
I want to go in greater speed.
You want to reach speedy just to play, huh?
Then will you tell us a good story, Dad?
Of course, why not? I will tell you a good story.
Wow, story. Ali, come close to me.
Once a rich lady came to the house of Prophet. She is coming from a big house. But Prophet's house was a small one and facilities were very less. There was not even a good bed sheet. She was very sad to see this. She returned and brought back costly bed and bed sheet to Prophet's house. Prophet's wife, Aisha radiallahu anha, got and spread it over the bed. After a short while Prophet came. Upon seeing this, he wondered, who brought all these? Prophet asked. Aisha radiallahu anha told about what happened. The Prophet said, I don't like luxury. Please remove all these. This world is like a resting place in a journey. Journey should be continued after a short while. So only simple facilities are needed here. Prophet added, Aisha, what do you learn from this?
I understand that Prophet led a simple life. No, Dad?
Yes. So?
We also should lead a simple life. Isn't it, Aisha? If there are 3 persons in a house, they need only 3 blankets. When a guest comes, 1 for him. Then how much blankets do they need?
4.
If we possess a 5th one, the Prophet says that it is for Shaitan. That's why Dad says don't buy dress or things for more than our need. Okay.
Is one of the blanket for guest?
Yes.
If many guests come, what will you do?
Then we have to give our blankets to them. It's just for 1 or 2 days.
What will you do if many guests stay for many days? Tan-ta-da!
If so, the guests should bring blankets with them.
Haha!
You lost, Ali.